friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Mira from K-pop Demon Hunters. So first we're going to get started in the middle and we're going to curve this line around and up towards the top. We're going to close off the bangs on both sides. So starting from the center line, we're going to curve this around and then down towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, arching this around and through, ending that at the same height. We're going to close this off now. So starting again from the corner, we're going to bring this line up, bringing that around and in towards the bottom. And then again, one more time as we come over on the side, bringing this around and through towards the bottom. Let's close off the face. Starting on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we're going to do the same on the right, bringing this around and then through, blending that together. Now let's draw on the ears. So on the left-hand side, arching this through, bringing that underneath. We'll do the same on the right. Let's close off the top of the hair now. So we're going to start on the left, arching this around and down towards the ear. And then we're going to do the same thing as we come through on the right. Now let's add in some details. So first we're going to start with the face. So we're going to start with the eye on the left-hand side, curving this over and out, and then bringing this back down and in. We'll do the same on the right, bringing this over and out, and then back down and in. Let's thicken it up on the top. So we're going to start on our top line, curving this out and then through, coloring that in black. We'll do the same on the left. Now let's draw in the pupil. So we're going to draw in a small half circle. And then we're going to draw in a small circle right in the corner for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in the rest of the pupil black. Now that we've drawn in the eye, let's come over and draw in some frown lines. So we're going to curve this out in the opposite direction on both sides. For our eyebrow, arching this line up and over towards the hair. And then moving underneath from that point, we're going to curve this up and through towards the side. Now let's close off the nose. We're going to arch this line around and out. Starting underneath, we're going to curve this down and in, and then on the left-hand side, just curving that over. Let's close off the mouth. We're going to draw in a small frown line in the center. For the lips up above, arching this line up, down from the center, back up and down. And then underneath, closing off the mouth, just curving that around and through on the side. Now let's draw in the details in the ears. So we're going to arch this line over on both sides. And then now moving underneath for the earring, we're just going to draw in a small curved line. And then from here, we're going to draw in a straight line across on the bottom underneath that. And then we're just going to draw a diagonal line, creating a triangle, bringing that in towards the bangs. Let's add in some detail lines on the hair up above. So we're going to draw in two curved lines, arching those across. On the left-hand side, bringing this line out and up. We're going to curve this line through. Stepping down, curving that over, and then two more times as we come across towards the left. Let's move across on the right now, drawing in a small arch line coming up, dropping down. Let's replicate that, bringing that over, coming down again, curving this around and through, underneath, curving that up, and then we're going to do this 3 more times in total. Now let's move down and draw on the rest of the body. We'll draw on the pigtails behind. So we're going to come underneath for the neck, curving this line over towards the left. We will do the same thing on the right. Let's draw in a shadow underneath the chin, curving this down further over on the right, making that thicker. And then we're just going to color that in black. Now on the left-hand side, moving further up, we're going to curve this line all the way over and across. And then starting from the corner there, we're going to curve this back around and in on the side. Let's move up, drawing in a small curved line, And then dropping below that again from side to side, we're just going to draw in another curved line, bringing this all the way around and then up. Now from here on the right hand side, closing off the shoulder, we're going to curve this out and down. And then we're going to close this off by drawing in a nice big curved line, arching that in towards the middle. And then we're going to start back on this line, continuing to extend this through past here and out towards the side of the page, because we're going to end our hair on that line. Let's draw in a circle right in the center. And then let's draw in 2 curved lines coming out on both sides for the necklace. Let's drop below that, replicating that again. Moving underneath, we're going to draw in an arch line. And then one more time for the collar of the shirt. Now moving down for the arm, we're going to curve this in. From that corner, curving this back up. Now we're going to draw in some straps coming down here. So we're going to draw in 2 curved lines, creating a thin strip. We're going to leave a gap, drawing in 2 more to create another strip. Let's leave a gap, replicate that. Let's leave another gap, replicating that again. And then one more time, moving over, creating our last one. Now let's close off the pigtail. So we're going to move up on the top, curving this around, back down. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from here, to close off the hair, we're going to curve this up, down, and out on the side. We're going to move over on the right, curving this up, down, and we're going to bring this all the way out towards the corner of the page on that line on the bottom. Let's move in now, closing off the inside of the pigtail. So we're going to curve this down on the left. We will do the same on the right, bringing this over. Now let's add in some details. So starting on the top, we're going to curve this down and over on the side. Moving down again one more time. Let's replicate that. Now coming across on the right, on the top, let's arch this down and over. And again, as we move in towards the bottom, bringing that down. And then we're just going to draw in one last line, curving this around and through. And that is it. That's how you draw Mira from K-pop Demon Hunters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.